If you're tired of endless spam or random bots sneaking into your Telegram group, this quick tutorial is for you. Today I'll walk you step by step through using the 0x Shield bot to automatically filter out unwanted messages and block those pesky bots, so your group can finally stay clean, secure, and focused on the conversations that matter. By the end of this video, you'll have powerful automated protection up and running, no technical background required. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Telegram app and head straight to your group, the one you want to protect. Tap on the group's profile name at the top of the screen. This pulls up the group information panel, which might look a little different depending on your device, but the core options are always there. It's important to start here because all the group's settings and management tools are centralized in this menu, making administration so much smoother. Next, you're going to find and tap on an option called Manage, or sometimes you'll see it as Manage Group. This is your group's control room, the place where you can add admins, tweak privacy, and most importantly, bring in bots like 0x Shield to add extra layers of defense against spam. Don't worry if the wording is slightly different. You're looking for anything that mentions managing your group settings. Now, we need to add 0x Shield bot as a member with administrative permissions. Go into the Administrators section. You might see it as Add Administrator or just Administrators. This section lets you decide who gets special powers in the group. The reason you're giving 0x Shield bot admin rights is because regular member status just isn't enough. To really catch and block spammers or bots, 0x Shield needs these extra permissions, like a security guard who needs access to the building, not just the parking lot. In the next screen at the top or in a search bar, type 0x Shield bot. You might see a few suggestions, so make sure you're picking the official one. It's always best to look for the verified blue checkmark or double-check the username just to be safe. Never give admin access to a random copycat bot. Once you spot the real 0x Shield bot, select it to invite it into your group. After adding, you'll see a list of permissions you can assign. Here, where the magic happens. Give 0x Shield the ability to remove, block, and filter users. These permissions basically let the bot monitor all messages and immediately take action against any spammy or bot-like behavior. If this part feels a little intimidating, take a breath. You're still in total control, and you can adjust or revoke permissions at any time. Think of 0x Shield as your group's automatic bouncer, only letting in real approved members while sending bots and spammers right back out the door. When you're done, just save your changes. You might notice 0x Shield bot sending a welcome message in the group, confirming it's ready to get to work. From this point on, you should see a dramatic drop in spammers and random bots. It's an instant upgrade to your group's safety. That's it, you've just set up advanced spam protection in a matter of minutes. If you run into any hiccups or if the layout looks different on your device, don't stress. Telegram updates its interface sometimes, but the overall steps stay the same. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you've got a question or maybe have another bot you want to secure against, just drop your comment below. I'd love to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical Telegram guides, and I'll see you in the next video.